Yerp. You know the vibes. Yo, super excited, bro. Headed to go see Draco now. We got NC tomorrow. If you don't know, the biggest legal pit probably all year is happening tomorrow. Shout out Burrows. Like, we finna make a movie, bro. It's about to go crazy. But that's tomorrow in a different video. Today, now, I'm headed to go see Draco. You already know, man. We about to hit a swing spot, undisclosed location. Can't talk about that. And yeah, we're just gonna get some final slide, man, before we go to this pit tomorrow and really go crazy. It's like, yeah, stay tuned. It's about to get lit. However, though, just got some news for y'all. Gotta keep y'all updated. After this NC video, I gotta chill a little bit, boy. They done pulled your boy over again. Like, hating, bro. 12 talking about he seen me doing this. I ain't gonna incriminate myself or nothing. But basically, he said that, like, he clocked me doing, like, 10 over what I think I was doing. So, yeah. And it was a state trooper. You know how them state boys get. So, I end up going to court here soon. But I'm gonna probably chill out in the scat. I still bring y'all content, but, like, sliding, going to takeovers, I might chill in that. Unless I pop out in the daily. Huh, should I take the daily to a takeover? I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, but yeah, we'll get to that when we get to that. Like, in the meantime, stay tuned for today's video. We about to go crazy, for sure. Got some new things to show y'all. And yeah, just know, tomorrow, boy, tomorrow is going to be a movie. But yeah, today's Friday the 12th. Obviously, the event's on the 13th. This video probably, I'm a goat if it drops today. But if not, y'all look at this video. And just know, North Carolina videos are on the way. Also, real quick, I got another video on the vote. Met up with Draco again. We did a ride out. The first ride out he had since he bought the Scat, actually. We went to the 804. That video will be dropping soon. I was waiting to get clips from this 360 camera because Dre had it on the back of his car. I don't know why it was on the back of his car. It's not like I was ever behind him, but that's a different story. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. That will be dropping real soon. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek of it in this video. We got more content on the way for sure. It's getting warmer outside too. It's summer. Summer, we here. We outside this summer for sure. It's time to lock in, get this content pushing. Yeah. Might have some new merch on the way. Stay tuned for that. Might got, it's a lot. I can't say too much right now. Just know we working behind the scenes too. So yeah, man, if you're new, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know if you love it, you hate it. Share it, show your friends. And yeah, more videos on the way. As you can see, man, we countryside. Draco in front of me. Camera need to focus. Windshield dirty, man. Scat super dirty. I was gonna go see the tire plug, man, because I need tires bad, but I mean, they close at 4, bro. Y'all see what time it is. It's 3:15, but whatever. But they already closed, so I don't really, I guess if we slide, I'm gonna have to keep it light. I got these ball tires in the back seat, so we gonna see. We gonna see. Those ain't, yeah, nah, those are pretty bad. And the one in the trunk is even worse, so we gonna see. I guess, hey, we ain't gonna slide too much. Had to slide to the tire shop in the morning before we leave. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what to do. We're gonna figure it out though, man. Stay tuned. cops pulled up, whatever, cool. Gotta stop going to these places, but like, just gotta stop trusting people, man. Whatever. Anyways, pulled up with Dre, so it's a little chill meet. It's cool, nothing crazy. But nah, bro, the cop pulled up, right? Let me see if I can zoom in on him. It's crazy. He ain't get out and say nothing, but boy, if this was Dre's meet, he'd have been out.
So we're out here. And I'm not saying there's anybody that's in this parking lot, right? But going towards where you guys were just at before you came here, I had a car run where you guys were at. I had a car run from me at 120 miles an hour.
Oh!
Blacked out, driving all the way to where we were in our traffic. So that's what brought our attention to you guys, okay? If he hadn't run from me at 120 miles an hour down Seminole, blacked out, we wouldn't be out here, right?
Boy, oh boy. Well, guys, I tried to get y'all this pre-North Carolina meet, but yeah, it didn't really pan out for real. Anyways, man, shout out to SNG sticker. Yeah, man, we official now. We got more content coming soon, man. You know we at She's greatest gas station of all time. But yeah, we tried to get a little bit of footage, man. You can see right after we started swinging, 12 pulled up. They said they weren't gonna chase us, but the camera got everything. I believe it when I see it. But you know me and bro filling up the boats now. I guess next stop, we'll see. We gotta go crazy. We was gonna hit another swing spot, but yeah, 12 didn't blow up the spot. They deep tonight, so we're just gonna call it quits. But yeah, if you're enjoying the content, if you're enjoying the videos, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, yeah, tomorrow about to be a movie. It's gonna be lit. Stay tuned for that. It's Ferg. Wow.